In order to analyze the numbers on a distressed property, either to fix and flip or wholesale to a fix and flipper, it's important you know how to quickly determine the cost of repairs so you can decide your offer price. So in this video, using updated 2022 numbers, I'm going to show you my proven algorithm for how to calculate the cost of repairs on any house in 60 seconds or less, coming up.
For a limited time, you can get a free copy of Jerry Norton's Data Cruncher software, which finds cheap houses in your area. Get it now at mydatacruncher.com.
If you're new here, I'm Jerry Norton. I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses, and here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me and live your dream life, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. As a flipper, you know how important it is to accurately calculate the cost of repairs when considering a deal. Get that wrong and you could be way off on your numbers and buy a bad deal. As a wholesaler, bringing deals to cash buyer flippers, you also need to make sure you accurately reflect the cost of repairs to make sure you actually have good deals. The problem is when it comes to rehabbing houses, the only way to get the exact cost of repairs is to get bids for labor and material from contractors, and even that is subjective because what to do and what to fix and the grade of finishes can vary from flipper to flipper and house to house. I think it's safe to say that the number one reason that wholesaler deals are rejected by cash buyers is because they are off on the cost of repairs. Either they have no idea and guess at the repair cost, or they spend way too much time trying to figure out the repair cost. Have you ever spent hours crunching all the numbers just to make an offer and the seller rejects it and you just wasted all that time? I know, I have too. That is so frustrating and will limit your ability to make enough offers to get enough deals to reach your goals. Instead, you need to be able to accurately calculate the cost of repairs on any deal so you can quickly run your buy formula and get to your offer price. And after doing thousands of deals over the past 18 years as a full-time wholesaler and flipper, I figured out a standardized process for calculating repairs and even created an algorithm that will compute the numbers instantly for you. On this video, I'm going to share this algorithm with you so you understand the numbers, but even better, I created an instant deal analyzer tool that does it for you literally in under 60 seconds. It's really cool and I'll show you how to get it for free, so keep watching. In order to use my cost of repairs algorithm, you need to know two things, and neither of them have anything to do with home remodeling. First is the square footage of the house. This is usually really easy to find on Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com. The second thing you need to know is the level of rehab that is needed to flip the property. In my experience, there are three basic levels of rehab. Level 1 is a light rehab, which is basically carpet and paint. A level 2 rehab is what I call average, or sometimes I refer to this level as a cosmetic flip. It includes carpet and paint and also kitchen and baths. And the third level of rehab is what I call heavy, and this is a complete gut job and usually includes changing a floor plan, new drywall, or capital improvements such as a roof, windows, and siding. Like I said, my experience has been that a rehab usually falls into one of those three levels. Next, let's put some 2022 numbers to this, but before I do, disclaimer, in no way is this foolproof. Labor and material costs can vary from market to market and depending on the grade of finishes, but by and large, these numbers are going to get you in the ballpark and keep you safe. So again, these numbers may fluctuate over time, but as of this recording, these are the numbers I'm using to estimate repairs. So what we're going to do now is we're going to factor in light, average, and heavy based on specific square footage ranges, because obviously the bigger the house, the more it costs to fix. Here they are. For homes under 1,500 square feet, a light carpet and paint rehab costs $18,750. An average carpet and paint kitchen bath rehab costs $37,500, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $75,000. For homes 1,500 to 2,500 square feet, a light carpet and paint rehab costs $25,000. An average carpet paint kitchen bath rehab costs $50,000, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $100,000. For homes 2,500 to 3,500 square feet, a light rehab costs $37,500. An average rehab costs $62,500, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $125,000. Now for homes 3,500 to 5,000 square feet, A light rehab costs $50,000, an average rehab costs $87,500, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $156,250. Now for homes over 5,500 square feet, a light rehab costs $62,500, an average rehab costs $112,500, and a heavy complete gut rehab costs $187,500. And like I said, most rehabs fall into one of these three levels, but you may have a deal that falls in between light and average, or average and heavy. If that's the case, split the difference and you'll be fine. So feel free to use that as a reference, but let me show you a way to do this that is 10 times better and faster. I created an instant deal analyzer tool that already has these built-in formulas. All you do is put the square footage, choose if the rehab is light, average, or heavy, and my analyzer tool will automatically calculate the cost of repairs as well as your buy formula. Once it does, you can adjust the numbers if you like, and what's cool is you can save properties so you can refer back to them later so you don't lose your work or forget your analysis. And the best part is, I'll give this to you for free. Just leave a comment and say, "You are a flipping genius, Jerry. Give me your free deal analyzer with updated numbers," and I'll give you the free download link. So when it comes to determining your offer price, the cost of repairs isn't the only thing you need to figure out. You also need to accurately determine the after repair value, or the price the home will sell for after the repairs are made. So next, I want you to watch a video where I explain the most accurate offer formula you'll ever need when going after deals to wholesale or flip. Watch that video now, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. With almost 850 videos, this is the #1 channel on YouTube for all things flipping, and I'll see you on the next video.